So let's continue using our REST API. Let's make sure all the operations are working properly. So as we saw, we just created this item. And if we use get items by ID, we should be able to find it. So let's confirm that. Paste it there, execute. So yeah, indeed, we were able to find the item. Now let's try an update on an item. So to do that, let's use the put API. So I'll click and expand this. I'll say try it out. Let's grab the ID of that item once again. So it's over here. Here's the ID. So I'll place it here. So we're going to update that potion. And then for the elements of this potion, let's copy also a few of the existing elements. So I'll copy this from our get by ID route into here. Actually inside there. I'll remove this extra comma. And so the only thing we're going to modify here is just the price of the potion. So instead of being 5, I'll say it's going to be price 7. And I'll hit execute. We're at 204, so no content, successful no content. So this means that the item has been updated. And to confirm that, let's go back again into our get by ID route. Let's execute again. And as you can see, the price has been updated. So our put route is working just fine. And for the final exercise, let's try to delete this potion, right? So I'll go ahead and copy again the ID of the potion. And let's collapse this and that. And let's go to the delete route. Try it out. Paste here. Hit execute. 204, no content. And it's a success. So the item should no longer be there. So I'll try to actually get this item by ID once again. Let's see what happens. As expected, it's 404. It can find the item. And in fact, if we go to get all items, there's nothing there. So the item was deleted. Okay, so at this point, we have a fully working REST API with all the basic CRUD operations that's working against MongoDB database. But we still need to polish a little bit the code base that we have so far. So in the next lesson, we will learn about the dependency injection technique and the .NET configuration system.